ALC crew, week 16. I hope you all had a restful Thanksgiving break. Now here's the rundown for this week. ALC final exam preview, First Nations and Cultural Encounters unit, and this week's to-do. So let's get started. The journal writing and essay development you've done up to this point has prepared you for, you guessed it, your ALC final exam. This will be an in-virtual class CEW essay in which you'll respond clearly and thoughtfully to a prompt. To prepare us for this final writing assessment, we're going to need some background information and context. Enter our First Nations and Cultural Encounters unit. Over the last few weeks, we've explored different facets of the American dream. Our discussions have yielded a variety of stances on it, such as the harder you work, the further you'll get, America's the land of opportunity, it's about having a nice house, car, comforts, and family. But also in our conversations, a number of you brought up how the American dream is not equally accessible to everyone. Race, social class, and other divisions often result in vastly different experiences. Our reading of The Great Gatsby helped clarify these perspectives as we saw Gatsby ardently reach for that dream, then fail tragically. And this compels us to think about the lived experiences of American people in our world. This week, we'll turn our attention to the lived experiences of the earliest Americans and current members of our American society, American Indian people. Our essential question for this unit, the one we'll examine for the next several weeks, is how does America's history and present-day practices cause American Indian people to struggle in maintaining their cultural identity in American society? To begin the week, we'll view a short documentary titled Fighting Addiction on Pine Ridge Reservation. As you watch this presentation, consider the history you've already learned in your U.S. history class, along with our essential question. This video can be found on Canvas Week 16, along with a set of guiding questions. We'll use these guiding questions to expand our thinking and solidify our understanding about the very real issues of life and death for the people living on Pine Ridge and what factors are contributing to this. As your writing assignment for the week, you will choose and respond to one of the 3 prompts in the assignment, Cultural Encounters Journal 1. Your response should consist of an 8 to 10 sentence CEW response that presents a clear, arguable claim, one piece of evidence, and a warrant. Later in the week, we'll revisit some familiar depictions of American Indian people in mainstream culture and sports. This discussion will lead into a short reading assignment to be done over the weekend. This reading is called Ballad of Plastic Fred by Eric Gansworth and can be found in the Week 16 module. As you read this short story, consider the following purpose for reading. Think about how stereotypical depictions cause American Indian people to struggle in maintaining their cultural identity in American society. So what do we have to do? Here it is. 1. Watch Fighting Addiction on Pine Ridge Reservation. 2. Respond on your own to the guiding questions. 3. Write Cultural Encounters Journal 1, due Friday, December 4th by 11:59 p.m. And 4. Read Ballad of Plastic Fred by Eric Gansworth by Monday, December 7th at the start of class. That's it for this one, ALC crew. We'll see you in virtual class. In the meantime, stay safe, stay focused, and stay connected.